Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the next chapter, that is the last chapter of the 10th standard, that is surface area and volume. So here these are the very important problems from model papers as well as department booklet. So here in surface areas and volume, the important concept is formula. So let us see the formula. First one question. The formula used to find the TSA of solid cylinder is, total surface area of solid cylinder is 2 pi r h, pi r square r plus h, pi r plus h, 2 pi r plus h. To know the answer, we should be perfect in the formula. So the correct option is 2 pi r plus h is the correct option. So first one problem is option D. So the second question, area is equals to 2 pi r plus h. This formula can be used to find area is equals to 2 pi r plus h. This formula can be used to find lateral surface area of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder, volume of cylinder, surface area of sphere. Just now we have first one also is the formula based on total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r plus h. So 2 pi r plus h is nothing but total surface area of cylinder. So option B is a correct option. Let us see the third question. The curved surface area of frustum of cone is given by, curved surface area of frustum. We know that formula is pi r1 plus r2 L. Pi r1 plus r2 L. Frustum have two radii. Okay. Let us see the third question. If the circumference of the base of cylinder is 44 centimeter and height 20 centimeter, then its lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is nothing but CSA. So here the question is circumference of the base of the cylinder. Circumference of base is circle. Circumference is 44 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. What is the CSA? So circumference formula is nothing but 2 pi r is equals to 44 centimeter. So curved surface area of cylinder formula is nothing but 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r value is 44, h value is 20. So 44 into 20 is 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 880. Area it is, so centimeter square. So let us see 880 square centimeter. Which is the correct option? Option B is the correct option, that is 880 square centimeter. Let us see the fifth one question. The height of a hollow cylinder is, height is 7 centimeter and its radius is 3.5. Then the surface area is hollow cylinder, they have told. So curved surface area of cylinder is, surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Okay, so now 2 into 22 by 7, pi value, r value 3.5 into h value is 7. 7 get cancelled. 44 into 2, 22 into 2 is 44 into 3.5 is nothing but 154 centimeter square. Square centimeter and centimeter square is correct. So let us see the correct option, 154 centimeter square. Option B is a correct option. So the next question here. The area of base of cylinder is 154. Base of the cylinder is circle. Area of circle is 154 centimeter square and height is 10 centimeter. volume is, okay, here what they have given, area of circle, base of a cylinder is circle, that is pi r square. Area of circle is 154 centimeter and height is 10. So what they have told, volume of cylinder is, volume of cylinder formula is nothing but pi r square h. Pi r square value is 154 into h value is 10. 154 into 10 is 1540. Volume it is cubic centimeter. Let us see 1540 cubic centimeter. C is C. So option B is a correct option, 1540. Let us see here the volume V of a cylinder with radius of its base r and height h is calculated using formula. Volume of cylinder is calculated using formula is V is equals to pi r square h. So correct option is C, pi r square h. Let us see the next question here. Question number 8. If V is equals to pi r square h, then r is equals to, r value is, V is equals to pi r square h, V is equals to pi r square h. Then r value is, r square is equals to V upon pi h. Okay. Now r square will become plus or minus root of V upon pi h. So which is the correct option? V upon pi h, V upon pi h, plus or minus V upon pi h means option C is a correct option. Let us see the next question. A metal sheet of length 2 cm and breadth 44 cm is rolled to form a hollow pipe. What they have told? A metal sheet is in a rectangular shape they are saying. Why? Because one is length 2 cm and breadth 44 cm. A rectangular sheet is rolled to form a hollow pipe of length 2 cm. Then the radius of a pipe is, okay, now we can see if we roll this rectangular shape. For example, you can see this is the rectangular shape. If we roll this, we will get what here? We will get circumference. This part is circumference will get, and this is the length. Now we can see if we roll this, the length will be 2. That is, height of the cylinder will be 2, and here what we will get, this 44 will become circumference. So C is 44, that is C circumference is nothing but 2 pi r h. Okay, 2 pi r. Now what radius they are asking us to find. So 2 pi r is equals to 44. 2 into 22 by 7 pi into r is 44. Now we can see here 2 ones are 2, 22 twos are 22 ones are 22 twos are 44. 2 get cancelled. So divide will become multiply, that is r is equals to 7. Correct option is 7. Let us check option 7 we have. Yes, D option 7 is a correct answer. Let us see now 10th one. Question number 10th. The radii of two circular cylinders are in the ratio 2:3 and their heights are in the ratio 5:3. Radii are in the ratio 2 cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. Okay, radii are in the ratio R1 upon R2 is 2:3. H1 upon H2 is height is 5:3. Okay. Then the ratio of their volume is V1 upon V2 is what? Volume 1 is nothing but pi R1 square H1 upon pi R2 square H2. This is the volume formula. Pi get cancelled. R1 value is 2 square. H1 is 5 upon R2 value is 3 square. H2 3. Okay. 2 square is 4 into 5 upon 3 square is 9 into 3. Now 4 5s are 20 upon 9 3s are 27. Let us check whether we have 20:27 option. 20:27. Option B is 20:27. So the correct answer is B. Now let us see the 12th one question here. A solid cylinder and a cone have the same radius. What? Cylinder and a cone have the same radius and height also same. Okay. And height same if the volume of cylinder is 20. Volume of cylinder is how much? 27 cc. Okay. What is the volume of cone? Height and radius are same, so volume of cone is equals to 1/3 into volume of cylinder. This is the formula. Okay. 1/3, let it be as it is. Volume of cylinder is 27. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So correct answer is 9 cc. Why? Because volume. We have 9 cc. Yes, option A is 9 cc. Here the number, they may give different number. The method is same. We should remember when they have given a solid cylinder and cone having same radius and height, then we have to use this method. Okay. The revolution of a right angle triangle about one of the sides containing right angle generates solid score. See what they are saying here. If the right angle triangle is rolled, okay, having angle 90 degree, as if the right angle triangle is rolled, that is revolution of a right angle triangle, which solid is formed? Right angle triangle, if we roll, cylinder it cannot form, sphere it cannot form, cube it cannot form, but we know it can form cone. So cone can be formed if the right angle triangle is revolute. Okay. Now the next question. The number of plane surface in a solid cone is. In a solid cone, you know, you people have seen the mainly cone and all. Plane surface is the base. How many number of plane surface is nothing but only one plane surface. Okay, we have only one plane surface in a cone. Let us see the next question. Question number 14. Okay, the volume of solid cone is 60 centimeter. I will do here only the volume of solid. Volume of cone is 60 centimeter cube and the area of the base is 20 centimeter. Area of the base is nothing but area of circle is 20 centimeter. Area of base of cone is circle, na, that is pi r square. Okay. Then the height is, what is the height of the cone? Okay. Volume of cone formula is 1/3 pi r square h is equals to 60. 1/3, let it be as it is. Pi is nothing but pi r square. Pi r square value is how much? 20. Pi r square is 20 into h is equals to 60. 3 I'll multiply here. 20 h is equals to 3 gone and multiplied here. H is equals to 60 into 3 upon 20. 0 0 cancels. 2 1s are 2 3s are. H is equals to 3 3s are 9. Height na, it is centimeter. 9 centimeter. So option B is the correct option, that is 9 centimeter. Okay, last question, question number 15. If L square is equals to R square plus H square, then the value of H is, okay, L square is equals to R square plus H square, then the value of H is L square. We will bring R here, means minus R square is equals to H square. Okay. H is equals to plus or minus root of L square minus R square. So L square minus R square, because R we are bringing here, H value we want. So which is the correct option? L square minus R square. Option A is a correct option. So this completes the last chapter of surface area and volume. So this completes the multiple choice question on all the topic from the 10th standard textbook. So now very soon you are going to face the board examination. Everyone, best of luck for your exams and do well in your examination. Thank you. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you again.